Before you even meet with an asset protection attorney, take stock of your financial landscape. Identify your assets, liabilities, and long-term goals. This will help you and your attorney understand the level of protection you need and align it with your future ambitions. Choose an attorney with a proven track record in asset protection law. They should be well-versed in legal strategies to shield your wealth and comply with local regulations. Verify your attorney's credentials, experience, and licensing. This due diligence confirms their expertise in asset protection and their legal standing to handle your case effectively. Gather all relevant financial documents and be transparent about any legal challenges you face. This preparation allows your attorney to provide accurate advice and identify potential risks. Discuss preferred communication methods with your attorney. Whether it's phone calls, emails, or face-to-face meetings, clear communication is key to maintaining a transparent and effective relationship. Understand the attorney's fee structure and ask for detailed billing to avoid surprises. Some may offer payment plans, which can be helpful if you need immediate asset protection but are concerned about costs. Review the engagement agreement carefully. It should clearly outline the scope of services, fees, and both parties' responsibilities. This document sets the foundation for your working relationship. Maintain open communication with your attorney. Regular updates on your financial situation and any new challenges are essential for adapting your asset protection strategy. Check-ins with your attorney will help you stay proactive and adjust as needed.